Your Vishnu a pencil to each guest.
The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 494, effective until 2 a.m. Saturday. This watch includes the following counties: in Arkansas: Cleburne, Conway, Faulkner, Perry, Pope, P, O, P, E, Van Buren, and Yell. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
What did I get? Not therapy. Anything that goes wrong with media, it's all bow down.
Locations impacted include Harrison, Diamond City, The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County in north-central Arkansas, central Baxter County in north-central Arkansas, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tannerville to near Paya to Irby, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mountain Home, Bull Shoals, Yellville, Gassville, Flippin, Lakeview in Baxter County, Arcawana, Ozark Regional Airport, Ozark Isle, Fawn Park, Lakeway, Bull Shoals State Park, Ship, Colfax, Rush, Lion Hill, Advance, Cartman, Dodge City, Price Place. Miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Stone County in north-central Arkansas, Searcy County in north-central Arkansas, Newton County in north-central Arkansas, northeastern Johnson County in western Arkansas, southern Marion County in north-central Arkansas, south-central Baxter County in north-central Arkansas, until 10 p.m. At 9:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Yellville to near Piercetown to near St. Paul, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marshall, Jasper, Western Grove, Marcena, Wick Springs, Carver, Moore, Duff, Upper Buffalo Wilderness Area, Point Peter, Maumee, Bohemian, Lost Valley State Park, Imo, Pruitt, Watt, information. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Stone County in north-central Arkansas, Searcy County in north-central Arkansas, southern Newton County in north-central Arkansas, northeastern Johnson County in western Arkansas, Van Buren County in north-central Arkansas, south-central Baxter County in north-central Arkansas, northern Pope, P.O.P.E. County in central Arkansas until 10:30 p.m. At 9:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Rush to Imo to Devil's Knob, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Marshall, Hector, Shirley, Witt Spring, Rocky Hill, Moore, Dabney, Devil's Knob, Bohannon, Imo, Alberta, Watts, Blanchard Springs Campground, Rosetta, Fola, Kay, Dillon, Broomfield, Solo. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Van Buren County in north-central Arkansas, Claiborne County in north-central Arkansas, Conway County in central Arkansas, northern Faulkner County in central Arkansas, southeastern Pope, P.O.P.E. County in central Arkansas until 11 p.m. At 10:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Old Lexington to near Claude to Broomfield, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Heber Springs, Morrilton, Clinton, Fairfield Bay, Greenbrier, Atkins, Greers Ferry, Wooster, Quitman, Guy, Hector, Damascus, Twin Groves, Shirley, Higdon, Bethlehem, Hill Creek, Happy Bend, Hoteville, Whipple. Frick. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Perry County in central Arkansas, southern Cleburne County in north-central Arkansas, northwestern Lone Oak County in central Arkansas, southeastern Conway County in central Arkansas, Faulkner County in central Arkansas, southwestern White County in central Arkansas, northern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Quitman to near Greenbrier to St. Vincent, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conway, Sherwood, Jacksonville, Cabot, Searcy, Heber Springs, Morrilton, Little Rock Air Force Base, Beebe, Greenbrier, Ward, Valonia, Mayflower, Austin in Lone Oak County, Judsonia, Kensett, Wooster, Apello, Quitman, Higginson. Temperature was 80. Dew point. National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lonoke County in central Arkansas, northeastern Grant County in central Arkansas, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, southeastern Saline County in central Arkansas, southeastern Pulaski County in central Arkansas until 12:30 a.m. At 11:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lonoke to near Sweet Home to Guyer Springs, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Little Rock, Pine Bluff, Sheridan, Southwest Little Rock, Whitehall, Shannon Hills, England, Wrightsville, Redfield, Alfheimer, Kiel, Otter Creek, King Creek, Ironton, Estes, Toltec Mountain State Park, East End, Orion, Guyer Springs, Mableville. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cleveland County in southeastern Arkansas, southeastern Grant County in central Arkansas, northeastern Calhoun County in southwestern Arkansas, eastern Dallas County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Drew County in southeastern Arkansas, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, western Lincoln County in southeastern Arkansas, until 1:30 a.m. At 12:43 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pine Bluff to 7 miles south of Whitehall to 7 miles west of Lamont, moving south at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pine Bluff, Fordyce, Star City, Rison, Whitehall, Alfheimer, Kingsland, Thornton, Whitefield, Plantersville, Tipton, Herbine, Nebo, Fennville, Ellisville, Lamont, Cottondale, Linwood, King Creek State Park, Hebron,